Hey guys, welcome to Blondity Daily. First, my little disclaimer, there's no financial advice, my own opinion and estimates. My estimates could be completely wrong. Don't trust, always verify, understand the numbers, be aware of scammers, and you know the best how to invest your money. Please be aware that I'm invested right now in Hive Blockchain, Argo Blockchain, Bitfarms, Hut8, KR1 and Galaxy Digital. Okay, let's jump right into it. So yeah, we have a new all-time high for Bitcoin. We surpassed the 50,000. I think we topped at 50,600 US dollars. But then there was a huge dump here, and yeah, we're right now at 48,600. So yeah, we are still in this formation here, but we are making higher lows here and higher highs. So for me, that looks very bullish. Here on the hourly, on the daily, we can see that there's a lot room to the upside if we can break out to the upside. I mean, you never know. Yeah, when we see the RSI here, we're at 71 or something like this, 71.5. So, I mean, the last top was at 90 here, so there's a lot of room to the upside if we go to the upside. So maybe we have to be patient a little bit. I think we will see the 50,000 soon, sooner than later, I guess, again. So Bitcoin up 1%, Ethereum minus 1%. And yeah, Polkadot is doing good every day right now, plus 8% here, 30 US dollars. So, I mean, last week I was thinking, yeah, maybe we can reach in February or so, the 30 US dollars. I was painting here this bull flag and this line here. And yes, I mean, 2 days later or so, we reached my target here of 30 US dollars, or we surpassed it here. So this is really crazy. I think Polkadot is one of the hype coins in this bull run, and I'm very bullish on this coin. So we have Hive Blockchain. They had another breakout today. Okay, it started on Friday, and yeah, now it continued. So I think 2 days was more than 20%. So I was always saying, okay, the thing is pushed under the water right now, very hard. But if we can get this ball free here, it will pump like crazy, and that's what it does right now. Without a big support of Ethereum right now, so Ethereum is not so strong. So yeah, since a few days it's going sideways, but we can see these stocks are decoupled sometimes from these prices of the underlyings. Yeah, then we have Hut8, 1% in green. So yeah, Hut8 is a little bit disappointing right now. We have this Bitfury stock selling, which is keeping the price down. But for me, it's more a buying opportunity. Yeah, maybe this stays a little bit for more time down there, and I can accumulate more. My strategy right now is I moved very big into KR1. I will show you my portfolio here very fast. I show it every day on my Patreon here. Please follow there if you want to see these BMXI and portfolio data. So it's patreon.com/Blondity. We also have a very great Discord chat where we share all our information. I really like this. Yeah, this is my portfolio right now. So I'm up 17%. So this is not a bad week right now within 2 days. And you can see KR1 is now my biggest position. Okay, I missed the Riot and the Mara train this time. I made the decision to sell them to go into Hut8. I mean, Riot and Mara, they were so profitable in the last few days. So I was thinking, okay, how can I get back on the success track here? And yeah, that's why I increased my KR1, because I think this is a great undervalued company. I think the market has to figure out a little bit about this company, so it will take a few days. And yeah, the OTC listing, it will take a few days too, that all these brokers list this company. So I think this could have major gains in the upcoming days and weeks. And I think I can increase bigger than Riot and Mara, and I can swap back cheaper into these companies like Galaxy Digital, like Riot, like Mara. So this is my plan right now. Maybe it works, maybe it not, but I like to make these plans, and yeah, maybe you win or you lose, and you have to live with your decision. Be your man or woman, stand with your decision, and don't blame others if your stock is not rising. This is always very easy. I mean, you made the decision to buy this. If these are not blue chip companies, they all make these ugly things, and yeah, if you don't like this, then go to another stock like for example, Amazon stock or Berkshire Hathaway or something like this. And yeah, then you will not have these things, but you will not have these crazy gains like here. So I'm close to 2000% right now since September. So yeah, my goal was until the end of the year 20,000%, so 200x within 15 months. So yeah, when I surpass here the 2000%, I need only 10x or 1000% to reach these 20,000% here. So this is going to be very interesting. Yeah, so let's move on here. Back to Hut8. Then we have Bitfarms 5%. So also Bitfarms is lagging right now. Everyone is waiting for some news here of expansion or so. So if they can get some miners there, I think I expect an explosion here too. Then we have Argo Blockchain, like 30%. They're doing so good right now. Congratulations to Argo Blockchain. I mean, this ball was also pushed down very hard and now it gets released. I mean, we have only positive news since the last weeks of Argo Blockchain. Every week we have good news, expansion and other stuff, the investment in Pluto and so on. So I really love this company. I'm so glad that I have this company on my portfolio. I should have had a little bit a bigger position, but okay, it is how it is. Okay, then we have Riot and Mara. They are doing good every day right now. Riot 21%, Mara 14%, very nice. Then we have Galaxy minus 9%. So I swapped a little bit into Galaxy today, like 2%. So my entry was not so good, but that's okay for me. I will increase in the upcoming days, I guess, and hopefully I can buy the dip the next time. Okay, then we have KR1 here in Germany, 12%, in US right now 10%. So this thing is very, very volatile here, so we can see crazy swings. I think there's not much liquidity on OTC, and that's why this happens. Yeah, but we can see it, the trend when you connect the lows here is it's going higher and higher. So I think it's really starting right now. We will give them it a few days, and I think then the rocket will start. Okay, so yeah, that's about the prices here. I will not talk too much about these Bitfury selling some stocks here. There was a press release. They say they use it for the R&D of the 5nm chips, and Hut8 will profit from this. Yeah, I mean, for me, this is okay. This is their money, it's their stocks, and when they want to sell, they can sell. I think it's de-risking a little bit Hut8 because it's not good when you have a shareholder with 37 million shares. He could influence the market very big. So I think overall, in the end, it's good that they sell these stocks. Okay, right now it's suppressing the price. It's annoying, but we should look at it as a buying opportunity. Again, I moved big into KR1. I hope KR1 will move big, and then I will swap back more into Hut8. But Hut8 is still my second biggest position and my biggest miner here, so I'm very bullish on Hut8. This is a great company. I will not blame Hut8 for this because Hut8 has nothing to do with this. This is still a great company, and I'm very bullish here. Okay, let's go back here to the data. So mining profitability right now for Bitcoin is at 29 cents per day per terahash, so they're making a lot of money. Ethereum mining 12 cents per day per megahash, also very good. The fees are down a little bit here. But we can see the addresses richer than $1 are above 31 million. So this is the first time I've seen this. So this is very bullish. It's growing every day right now. This is very nice. Okay, the hash rate of Bitcoin is still rising here. We're at 170 exahash, but it's not that big. It's okay, and we can see it here on the difficulty adjustment. The next difficulty adjustment is in 3 days expected, so not far away. And right now the forecast is 1 to 2% here. So it's not a big increase. The last one was 3% here. The next one is going to be 2-3% or so. So we don't have these crazy difficulty increases. That means that there's a hardware bottleneck, that there are not much miners coming online. And this is very good for our miners. So they still mine a lot of Bitcoins right now. And it's not going to be a lot more difficult. Okay, guys, so today no big news, but maybe we can check a little bit the market cap here. So what we can see right now, that Riot is at 4 billion, Mara is 4.3 billion, so these guys are very big right now. Then we have Argo Blockchain, which is a unicorn since yesterday at 1.3 billion. We have Bitfarms very low here with close to 500 million. We have Hut8 at 800 million. And we know that Hut8 has more than 3,000 Bitcoins on the balance sheet. This is my estimation. So yeah, this is very interesting. And we have Hive Blockchain now close to 1.3 billion. So I mean, these two companies here on the Nasdaq, these companies are not on the Nasdaq. And I think we can see the big difference here, like 3x or something like this, or 4 or 5x. yeah, so this is what we will see when these companies here go to Nasdaq. We don't know if it happens, we don't know when, but the potential is there, and yeah, then we will close this valuation gap very fast. So this is going to be exciting. I can wait for this. I have no problem with this. We have to be a little bit more patient, and yeah, we are making gains. I mean, there's always going to be a stock which makes more gains than your stock, but you should, yeah, live with your decision. Yeah, and then you will win at the end of the year, I guess. But because for me, it's all about what is the end of the year or the end of the bull run. What are my gains there? I don't care about too much on the daily wins or losses. I'm on the of overall long-term thing. I will compare this. Okay, guys. Yeah, so I think that's it for today. Thank you very much and see you in the next one. Auf Wiedersehen.